Hey guys, so today is, apparently unlocked my Mac, that's awesome. May 23rd, I am taking over the Planner Boss Instagram today. I've already started and I'm like shaking, I'm nervous, like I've never talked to that many people. Granted, I think, give or take, there's probably 1,000 people who view the stories out of the 30,000. At least that's kind of like what I'm seeing on this. But I'm like, and I'm going live tonight. So I'm a little nervous, okay? But I need to figure out like a really good execution. So I'm doing it different. I'm kind of doing it vlog style. So I was like, I did in the morning, I was like, oh no, I'm getting ready, because I had to put makeup on, duh. I'm not gonna scar everybody. You guys are used to it. And so I put my makeup on and I put like getting ready for blah, blah, blah. And then I was like, but first I gotta eat. And then I showed going to Jimmy John's. And now I just like introduced myself kind of. And then I showed a little bit of my messy desk because, hello, Planner Boss prep is a mess. I also need to publish a vlog today, and it's my last one I have edited, and then, you know, I got a lot to do, and I'm reforming the icons, and I want to get those up and printed all before everything is fully, like, done. So, needless to say, I have a lot of stuff to do, and I really want to have everything really prepped well for PBC, but it's not gonna happen. We're probably going to fail hard. But I feel like I don't know what to say during my takeover. I wish I had Tabitha's, which is no white stickers. She owned it last year, and she's gonna own it this year. It's like, thank God I'm not going after her, but for real, thank God. So, all right, I'm gonna cord one and then a cord. This is why this is so hard for me. I'm going to record one and you get to watch it. Like Inception, right? All right, don't make fun of me. All right, guys, these are my machines. So this is 1, 4, 2, 3, and 3. If you want to see why they are named that way, join me tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern in the Planner Boss Collective Facebook page. Tongue twister. I just gotta go quicker. That's what I think it is. Hey guys. Alright. No. Okay. Alright, so we have one. Flying mother. I already recorded this and this worked well, and then I accidentally deleted it. Okay, we're fine. We're here. Okay. All right, so we have machine 1, 4, 2, 3, and 3. If you want to figure out why these machines are named that way, join me tonight at 8 p.m. in the Facebook page for Planner Boss to go live with me. That was not good either. All right. We're gonna do it, okay? We're going to do this. Okay. All right, we have one. It's so quick. I just see the little line moving so quick. All right, we have 1, 4, 2, 3, 3. If you want to see why they're named that way, join me tonight in the Planner Boss Facebook group at 8 p.m. Eastern to go live with me, and I will tell you the story behind all of these machines. I got it. Yes! I need to watch back though. If you want to see why they're named that way, join me tonight in the Planner Boss Facebook group at 8 p.m. Eastern to go live with me, and I will tell you the story behind all of these machines. All right, we have 1, 4, 2, 3, 3. I gotta turn my volume off because that's not gonna stop. So yes, finally got it. Hallelujah. All right, true story. It's now more of the like items that I'm selling versus like seeing my face and like getting super like in here. I think I'm gonna get nervous during the Facebook Live, but I feel like I'm doing okay for right now. I figured out my printer issue. So if you guys have been with me the last couple days, I've had a huge printer issue, like huge. So I figured it out. There was a little hair, well, not little, probably my hair, wrapped around the feeder. And so like when the ink would go over it, it would like get ink on it and then it would tumble down. So let's see, I have a whole bunch that I threw away. That was the banding issue. Here we go. So, give it a second to focus. So you can see it was in a very selective spot that was happening, and it wasn't noticeable in all of them. So I think I got them all. I'm like 89% sure I got them all. Thankfully, I can just go back through like when I'm packing orders to make sure that I got them, but I was legit panicking, as in PBC is in 2 days. And today is one of the days. Like, it's on Friday and today is Wednesday, and I took the day off, half day to do this because I was like, oh, okay, like let me get my stuff together before PBC and finish all open orders, which probably not gonna happen because I have one that's pretty complicated, but I'm gonna do my best, and I've done my best to get it done. So I'm prepping their orders and PBC, so it's like, and then my printer just likes to, you know, kick the bucket midway through. I'm like, man, I'm about to spend $400, buy another printer because I'm not going to just sit here and try to fix it forever. And then I was looking up places to go get it fixed. And rant, like, holy crap. I was not in a good headspace, and I was like, I just can't. I needed a break. I have, so rude. Well, they're only getting one package, even though their shipping label printed twice. But yeah, I have enough things that go wrong in my life. I don't need that to go wrong. I just need PBC to go smooth. I want to try to get as much cut today. I have already cut Forest Friends, and I've actually, they're right there, cut them down more. So now I just got to package them. I've had a couple orders that actually pre-bought them before the sale because I gave people the option. I said, you know, I'm kind of secretly adding these to it, and you can purchase if you don't want to wait, or you're risking it selling out. Rude, Louie. So that's where we're at, and the next one that's due out is June 1st, which is the more complicated one, because I have my other one pretty much done, which is due out tomorrow. Do you see him? Maybe it was his hair. I thought it was mine, but maybe it was his. I don't know, it's kind of long for it to be a cat hair. This is probably why I don't really allow them in my office that often. But I feel like they're always in the vlogs because I leave my door open, but like they're in here for like 2 seconds and then they leave. So it's like, so yeah, I'm gonna go finish these orders. It's like 4:15. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, so I have a huge headache, but I'm still prepping for PBC, and I need to go ahead and cut this kit up. It is the Sail Away. Yeah, so I need to cut this one and then put it in here. So I guess, so I have Forest Friends pretty much done. So I have all of these guys prepped. I have Sail Away right now here. I have to cut the Earth kit. I don't think I actually really named that kit. Yeah, I have to cut that one, and I actually have to photograph that one because it's this one. It's the foiled one. So I have to foil and cut that as well. But I need a break, so I'm gonna do this and then put my dots on, and I think I might call it just a break for a little bit before I have to go live here in a little bit. So I'm gonna let you watch me cut it and fast forward. So all right, 2 hefty kits prepped. 1 more new kit to prep. These are grab bags that will be available. And then I gotta do some backfilling in here as well. And vlog. So I guess, am I vlogging my live? If you guys watch my vlogs, then you'll see this, right? Yes, so. It is a much later time. I just finished my live. I'm looking deathly right now, and my live went so well. I had so many people in and out, and it was amazing. Like, I'm so glad I did it. I was really nervous to do it, but it went really well. I talked for a very long time, like almost an hour and a half, and I am so red. You can even see the redness through my makeup. 1, my makeup's breaking down. 2, it got so hot in here. So hot. So needless to say, I am tired. It is 9:30 now. I started at 8, so I just finished like 9 minutes ago. I'm probably going to sign off the Planner Boss Instagram and just kind of let it go. I did 2 giveaways, well really 1, and then I gave a 2nd place person because I just can't do 1. It was a mini kit. It wasn't like anything like super crazy, but yeah, I'm probably gonna go to bed, and this whole junk behind me is fine. So, all right, I will catch you guys tomorrow. All right, it's 10:40. That's so weird that it just does that. 10:40, May 24th, day before PBC. Yeah, I'm not doing too hot because, you know, the fact that work was crazy. I don't even know what my name is right now. That's how like much I've been like cranking this shit out. I'm tired. But that's what happens when your job takes precedence, unfortunately. And then I worked out, and then I worked again tonight. I have to get this kit up. I have to cut it and photograph it, and that's the last kit I need to do. I did all the icons, but unfortunately they're not real listings, they're digital. But I think it will be good enough, I hope. Otherwise, no one will buy them. I mean, it is what it is if they don't buy them at this point. I think PBC Instagram stories went really well. I think it's going to be something that actually helped my shop versus like a waste of time. And I got to cut a bunch of kits, so that's good. I don't think this vlog is going to be very long because I literally, all I'm going to do is cut one page of each of this earth kit, which is this guy, and that's it, literally for the photo. That's all I'm doing, because I could do a digital listing and just show that, but I just don't think that will translate well, because I feel like this kit, you need to like see it in person, like the actual kit. Otherwise, to be honest, I would probably just do a digital one. So, wake up. Oh, he was off. He was having a moment. Okay. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be ready to see like what unfolds. I don't think I'm that nervous because again, I'm a smaller shop. So I think if anything, sorry. The Instagram stories is what helped me. But otherwise, I think it'll be pretty chill. I think I'll have a lot of orders, like 50 orders, which would be a lot for me. If I start getting like a lot, I may freak out. But I don't really expect it, if I'm gonna be honest. I don't. But that's okay. I think I'm okay with just being basic right now. Because I'm tired. I'm going out of town during PBC. Who does that? Me. So I'm gonna cut these. And I'll see y'all later. As in like, I don't know, 5 minutes when they're done. All right, so I finished everything I needed to. I'm tired. It's 11 o'clock. I've been working very long hours. And I'm going to go shower and go to bed. So this quick 5-minute vlog, oh my God, I look even worse. That's what I get. I worked out today, I had my trainer, so I'm like extra good. So yeah, I'm leaving my camera here this weekend and just spending time with the family. So I will see you after PBC. I may vlog some on my camera, like my phone, and then add it into like the footage. But I don't know, I'm gonna try to be with just family this weekend. It's gonna be killing me though, the fact that I literally cannot work on one order this weekend because I'm not here. I did some prep, so hopefully we'll be okay. All right, good night, guys.